I've just unboxed this bladeless fan. It's a 16-inch one. There's the box. So let's see if it does exactly what it says. Comes in good packaging, as you can see. Comes with remote control. It doesn't come with batteries, so I've had to put some in this end. They are AAAs, two AAAs. It can turn on there if you press that in. I should imagine that operates the swaying motion. When it comes, you do have to build it in place. The top can be a bit of a faff. You have to put it on the top. Just make sure it lines up with the shape of it and just click it down. You don't need to put any force to it. So I'm just going to turn it on now. When you turn it on, the blue light will come on. Common sense. Honestly, that does let out a lot of air. So put some paper. Ah, there you go. Look, you can see. Yeah, that is. I'm quite impressed with that. I'll be honest with you. I'm really impressed with that. There is a sway function. Let's see what that does. Oh yeah. You can turn it down. See what the lowest is like. That's the lowest. That's still good enough. Do I recommend it? Yeah, definitely. For the price you're going to be paying for the Dyson ones, I think they start from £500 to £800. This you're paying what, 65 onwards. It is. It's actually really good for the price you're paying for it, and it does exactly what it says it does. That's the highest. You can hear it again.